Hello. Kyle the Gamer here, and my brother just farted so bad.
I'm dying right now. Dude, what did you do? That's like a nuclear blast. Disgusting. Oh my god, I'm like dying right now. We're all dying. I don't know why you were even. Colin, I don't know why you were even covering your face at first, because I think you're probably used to it by now. At least for you.
Yeah, so we're just chilling. So we're just chilling and we're watching SpongeBob.
Is it better?
Please, SpongeBob SquarePants.
It's not that bad anymore. It was bad. That's okay. You're so stupid. I can't believe you did that. I can't believe you farted.
Well, it was like a shark, kind of.
Yeah, it was. That was torturous. That was honestly torturous. That's like me when Colin farted. It's this episode.
This episode's song.
This episode's trash.
I know.
It's like when I gotta try to like ghosts or something.
Yeah. Why is Squidward's light on just randomly? He's not even.
I think it's a skylight.
Yeah, but then why would it be like right above just the lawnmower and then nothing else? Yeah, there's not even a skylight there.
Well, it's on the top, so you never know.
Yeah, but then everything else is just.
Well, maybe he was in there before. Could you just tell him something else?
No.
This was boring.
No.
It's a good show.
Oh my god. Put it on, put it on.
Yes.
So we're just gonna change the show to American Ninja Warrior.
What? Colin, we're actually vlogging.
Yeah, vlogging is like everything. So yeah, we're just.
I already have 4 videos uploaded.
4?
Don't try to zoom in.
I only posted.
I gotta lay something.
I only posted 1 video ever today. I think. I only.
You think?
Oh wait.
Track with what you posted.
Yeah, wait, I did. No, wait, wasn't it?
That's not. That's
No,
not
it was.
being a YouTuber.
It was.
It's called a trash YouTuber.
Disc runner. That's fine. No, it was this morning.
Swinging spikes.
So
That would be hard a little bit.
easy. But it's a joke. Yeah.
There's more. Is anything ever?
That's hard.
That's not easy.
I'm saying that.
Oh yeah, that's hard too. The invisible ladder.
I'm saying that one part.
Wait, when you pull it out, are you dumb?
You better have any grit.
Yeah, no, you probably couldn't even complete it. So I don't know what you're talking
Yeah,
about.
you probably would fail the first one.
Exactly.
And then watch me go on that show when I'm like 20 something and then I beat it.
Yeah, in your dreams. Say hi to everyone.
Hello.
Well, I'm vlogging now.
Hello.
Now you're just gonna start the vlog?
Yeah, really?
Yeah,
Why are you stealing our idea?
Because this
Like,
is a good show.
this is our thing.
Wait, shut up. So I can...
No, do your intro like
No,
hello.
not.
Hello.
It's me.
It's
No, should I play that for my intro and then just copy like? No,
No.
no, play it and then be like, "What's
We
up?"
get like copyright issues. If we do, I don't care. This is like one of those people this is like one of those people that are gonna like fall.
Why would you do that in G?
Wait, mute everything so I can see if.
No, just play it out loud. Just go.
Did you just see how he fell off?
You already fell.
He was like swinging on the thing and then he like flew off. But why would you do it in jeans? Look,
No.
look.
It's
me.
How you guys doing? It's Common Vlogs here, and we got a vlogger with a vlogger with a vlogger vlogging, watching American Ninja Warrior. And
American
this is
Ninja
YouTube
Warrior.
channel.
Go watch it.
Now it's our life.
We're
YouTube
basically
has taken over
promoting
my life,
it.
and, this is basically our job, and to provide you with good content.
Little athlete. Dang.
I was always very strong and powerful with anything I did. Lock-offs, reaching, grip, it's all functional to American Ninja Warrior.
Kyle wishes he could do that.
I just figured if I can't do a work wall, why would I try?
She's only 5 feet tall. That means the warp wall is almost 3 times taller than her.
Dang.
Seeing Casey go up the work wall, I realized I had no excuses not to. So I started training, put in the work.
Dang, he's short.
City qualifying, I felt great beating the taller work wall.
He's really short.
My goal this year is to make it to Vegas, and I want to be the shortest person to clear stage 1.
And there's Tyler's family on the side.
Dang.
Russell in Japanese.
That hair though.
Dude,
Dang.
American Ninja Warrior is like the show. Well, The Walking
I have a
Dead.
feeling he's gonna.
The Walking Dead beats any show, basically. But this is a good show.
If he already falls, his dream's ruined. Right? Hurry up. Can't be slow.
This is his nemesis. The rolling log took him out last year, and he had a violent ride on this qualifying at 5.
You hold the inside. I would hold the inside. Yeah, but he is. But he fell off.
Hard impact. Now, even though he's feeling a little dizzy, has to face the third option,
Dizzy.
the Flyers. This is a guy who's a gymnast.
I love vlogging. Because vlogging is like a part of life that like it's just interesting because like
It show it
when
like
you vlog it's like it's your daily life and this is my daily life. I do nothing.
Right? Like I just sit around.
yeah. You
You
just
sit
show
around.
people what you do.
Holy crap! You
What
freaking sugar glider! Oh my god! No, literally, our lives are just literally, our lives. We just sit around. We do nothing.
And we just watch TV.
And we just watch TV, yeah. We either that or just play video games.
And
Does that
vlogging.
thing shift?
No,
And vlogging.
It doesn't shift?
no. Oh,
Dang. No, what if he like tripped and like fell? I feel so bad. He's like, oh, I want to be like the shortest person to ever complete stage 1.
okay. That could be pretty easy.
That is not that easy.
It's
Because first of all,
Your hands just slip down.
yeah, and first of all, that takes a lot of upper body strength, so it's not easy for some people, especially people like you, Kyle.
but shut up, because I don't know why you're talking.
Has anyone seen these guns or anything? Yeah, they know.
But it's kind of harmful.
How is it? Oh my god. You're calling this. You're calling this. Okay, ready? You're calling this arm fat? Where? Look
The
at
whole
that.
thing.
Look at the whole thing. The whole thing is not arm
He
fat.
completed it.
He
Oh wait, not yet.
He completed the first part.
Yeah.
Stupid. He didn't complete it. You're dumb. What the heck are they shaking?
I don't know.
I don't know. That's really creepy.
It's like one of those things that has the people that they like, but they spin it and it says their name on it.
Oh. How do you know that? And I don't. Is that something that they do in like Japanese history?
I guess, if they're doing it. If they're the only ones doing it,
How did you know about that? And I didn't know about that. That's weird because I study history more than you.
obviously.
Well, no, I study everything more than you.
Maybe.
Language arts, history.
You do not.
No! Oh. Oh my god, guys. No! No, no, no. We're all in shock.
Colin.
Excuse me.
Oh, yeah, as I was saying, you do not study language for you. What'd you get in language arts?
What'd you get in language arts?
100.
You got 100? So did I.
Okay, then, I don't know.
You did not get 100 in language arts.
But I did.
Yeah, I did.
Are you too tired to go out?
Yes, I am.
You don't want to
No, no.
say it, Mother?
Yeah, meow. Okay.
On the course completed, I didn't have to do any language arts thing, but it was on my thing, but I didn't have to do any work for it, and they said my overall grade was 100. Oh, so
did?
get off my level. Because I said that like 3 times. But
It never looks like that.
Right.
I wish it looked like that.
That's what she said.
Wait, is she ready?
Well, this is gonna end this vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Say bye.
Bye.
Moo. You guys are
It's like
done.
from Good Burger. And your chicken is.
So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog.
Chickens don't moo, Ed. They cluck.
And I'll see you later.